are you?
I'm good. How are you?
क्या माल है यार.
Nikita, how are you? Let's fucking.
ಏಯ್ ಬಡ್ಡೆತವ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಠ ಕೇಳ್ರಲ್ಲ ವಾಮಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಕ್ ಕೂತಾವೆ.
प्यार की राह में चलना.
No.
ನಿನ್ನಮ್ಮನ್ ನೋನಾ ನೀನಕ್ಕನ್ ಕಲ್ಲಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕಾ ಕೂತಿದ್ಲು ಹಾಯ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋ ಅಂತೆ. ಫೈನ್. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ನೇಮ್?
Sakshi.
ವೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಫ್ರಮ್?
What's your name?
ಐ ಆಮ್ ಮೋಹನ್.
Anmol.
ಮೋಹನ್.
Mohan.
ಓ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ನಾ ಯಾವ್ದ ಹುಡುಗಿ.
Hi.
ಹಾಯ್. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ನೇಮ್?
Hi. A mí me gusta la Pepsi con gasolina, con carros, con penes. Para penes.
निकल लौड़े, पहली फुर्सत में निकल.
ಯೋರ್ ನೇಮ್? ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್?
9th standard.
Just 9th?
Yes.
Okay.
Which state are you from?
Karnataka. And you?
Same.
Karnataka.
Yeah.
ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಕನ್ನಡ?
Gotta.
ओह यार, यार ये कितनी औसम है यार.
Like, you know, I'm actually from Mumbai, so I recently came here.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
You know Hubli?
ಹುಬ್ಳಿಲಿರೋದಾ?
What about you?
ನಾನಿಲ್ಲ ಮೈಸೂರು.
Mysuru. I have come there. Mysore Zoo Palace.
ಆರ್ ಯು ವಿಸಿಟೆಡ್?
Yeah, I've visited.
ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ? ಹೌ ಡಸ್ ದಟ್?
Amazing. I love Karnataka.
ಓಕೆ.
Yeah, how old are you?
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
ಜಸ್ಟ್ 22?
22.
ಯಾ. Hi.
Yeah. Hello.
ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು?
Pretty good. How are you?
So I like it.
Oh, okay.
So what's your name?
It's your mom.
Huh?
Your mom.
तो रुको जरा, सबर करो.
I love my mom and I love you.
Yeah.
Can you marry me?
Okay. Let me do. Will I marry you?
Okay, marry me.
Yes, I would marry you. I would marry you right now. Is this our ring?
Okay.
अभी तेरे को फोटो डालूं मैं?
Come, let's do first night.
You're in India?
Yeah, right. Are you
Do
interested?
you want kids?
First sex, then children's.
Oh fuck.
बहन डर गई, बहन डर गई, बहन डर गई.
Hi. Hi. What happened? Nice. And very happy New Year to you and both.
Thank you. You too.
ओह यार, यार ये कितनी औसम है यार.
Do you have Instagram ID?
My Insta ID?
Yeah.
Actually, don't use Insta.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Okay.
I was on Insta, but I had to remove my account.
चीटिंग करता है तू. चीटिंग 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 करता है तू.
Why should you do that?
Just because of my mom. She told me to focus on my studies.
Control. Control.
So, what is your country?
UK.
UK. How was
Yeah.
celebration are going on in UK?
गजब बेइज्जती है.
ಅಯ್ಯ ನೀ ನಮ್ಮನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಲು ಏಳು ಏನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕಳ್ಳಿ ಆಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಓಡೋದು ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ,
Yeah.
ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ವಾಚ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್?
What?
ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್?
Yeah, I watch YouTube.
Then follow my channel.
Yeah, wait.
I text my YouTube channel name here. ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಲ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡ?
ಇನ್ನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೋದಾ?
I have that Hubli wala accent, not वो उत्तर कर्नाटका वाला नहीं है accent मेरा.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡನೂ ಒಂದೇ, ಸಬ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಏಕೆ?
But it's kind of different, you know.
In some words, that's all.
Yeah, some words are kind of different. Let me think about it.
Hi,
You're Indian as fuck. Kill yourself.
how are
He
you?
was like straight up.
Bye.
What's your name?
Dude, when was the last time you went to the dentist?
No, this is the
When
first
was the
time.
last time you washed your face? Because there's dirt built up.
Hey, it's my real color.
One scrub is all it takes.
No, it's not your real color. You're white, but you have dirt all over your face, and that's why.
They saw you, they're like, oh!
Hello.
Please,
Hi.
You look like a potato in your head, bro. But you got a good haircut, but your face, no. It's a potato, bro.
I like your mustache.
Okay.
And it's short, very good. But I got shit now, bye.
Hi.
Boy.
Okay, goodbye. Hi. Hello. Why are you laughing?
What's up?
Said me, why are you laughing?
Honestly, I don't know.
Okay, what's your name?
Isaiah.
Isaiah. And where from?
Damn, bro, like, why do you need to know that?
What?
Well, my address too, where you at it?
Happy Christmas.
Wait. What kind of videos do you make?
I did lots of things, not a one particular
Lots
video.
of things.
Sometimes
this you?
video games,
Wait.
sometimes omingle, sometimes about agriculture work.
I don't actually find your YouTube channel. Just let me check it once again.
Do not give space. Test
Yeah,
that
I want.
as it is. Did you
Okay,
find out?
got it. This one?
Yeah, right.
Nice. I'll subscribe.
Thank you. Thank you, Sakshi.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye. Thank
I
you.
like your videos.
Thank you.
Nice. Bye bye.
Bye. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಂದು ಇದೇ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಸದ್ಯ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ವೇನೋ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗೈತೆ